Here we are working on this Craftsman 6.75 horsepower lawnmower. Got a little issue with it starting but not staying running. Would work on starting fluid or gasoline for a second and then shut off. So I knew it had to be probably a carburetor related problem or a fuel delivery problem. And so I went to get to the carburetor and see. This was just like a cover over the carburetor. Real simple. There's 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3, and basically that comes off, and then you have the carburetor here, and then the bottom there is a float bowl, and basically it's 1 bolt on the bottom. Real simple. Just undo that bolt, and then got it down here on the bottom, so you can see really bad gas, really old, all gummed up. So that was most likely causing the issue of the lawnmower not staying running. So we're going to clean this up, clean that out, and you can really smell the old gas. And we're going to check the tank and clean out some of the old gas. Maybe we'll remove this line here and drain the old gas. I think it's almost empty, but at least we'll clean this up, carburetor up, make sure the float is working properly, which appears to be working pretty good actually. Put it back together, and it should be working fine because this is a fairly new mower. Really don't think anything else is wrong with it, but we're going to do that right now. So we're going to drain some of the gas, and here you go. You can see it's nasty yellow stuff. I don't think there's much in here now, but I'm going to drop the mower down, but it's nasty yellow stuff. It won't ever run on that stuff, but I'm going to drain that out and see what happens. Here you can see the gas is pretty discolored, pretty yellow, and I can smell it. It's mixed, looks like it smells old and new gas, but draining it right now, and gonna start it up soon. So cleaned it all up, emptied the gas, and got it all back together. I'm gonna wait to put the plastic piece on to test to make sure it's still running, and then see what happens from there.